So why factorial 0 is said to be equal to 1? Well, this question is really fascinating because when you take 0 in the factorial and it gives you 1, it somehow fascinates you like why it happens. So this can be answered two ways. First is intuitively and the second one is mathematically. So first we have to understand what is the meaning of factorial, what factorial tells you. So if we are talking about factorial, intuitively it tells you in how many ways you can arrange something. For an example, I have purple and white ball. So how many ways I can arrange this purple and white ball? So first I can put purple and then white, and first I can put white and then purple. So there are two ways I can arrange these two balls. So two distinguished object can be arranged two ways. For an example, so two distinguished object can be arranged two ways. So what happens if we take three objects, for example purple, white and green ball? Okay, so how many ways I can arrange these three objects? So if you see this problem, what I can do, first I can put purple, then white, then green. Then I can put purple, then green, then white. Then I can put white, then purple, then green, then white, and green, then purple, and then green, white, purple, and green, purple, white. So these can be 6 ways. So these are the ways I can arrange three objects. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So three objects can be arranged 6 ways. So in how many ways I can arrange n objects? That is the question. And you will be surprised that this answer come out to be as nothing but n factorial, which is nothing but n minus 1 up to 1. How it is so? For an example, we saw that when we take two objects, we get 2. So 2 factorial is nothing but 2. And if we take 3 objects, what do we get? 3, 2 into 1. So we get 6. Here it is. So similarly, what factorial tells you in how many ways you can arrange something or n distinguished object. So now the question comes, then how it is possible that the 0 factorial is equal to 1? Well, for that matter, you have to understand in how many ways you can arrange nothing. For an example, here we have a box and it is empty. Okay, it is empty. So how many ways I can arrange emptiness with the emptiness? You will be surprised because there is only one way, because if there is something in this, it is no more empty. So emptiness can be arranged one time. For an example, one way, I should say. So emptiness can be arranged one way. So I can say that emptiness, which I can express by 0 factorial, can be arranged one way. So this is the intuitive approach of factorial 0, why it is said to be equal to 1. And now we come to the mathematical proof. So if we are talking about the mathematical proof, we will use this definition. So n factorial is nothing but n minus 1 factorial. I can write it. Okay, so if I take n is 1, then what I will see, n is 1, 1 and 1 minus 1, 0 factorial. So 1 factorial is nothing but 1, and if we take this and divide, then this will be, so here we have 0 factorial is nothing but 1. So here we have the mathematical proof that the 0 factorial is nothing but 1.